This video provides a brief overview of how FCPS is preparing buildings for your safe return and what is expected of you when you transition back into your physical workspace. Maintaining your safety and health are the most important principles of any return to work plan. This video will provide an overview of the many ways that FCPS is working to keep buildings safe as we continue to experience cases of COVID-19 in Fairfax County. The Return to Work Guide, which you also should have received, is based on the guidelines provided by Fairfax County in the Fairfax Forward Employee Guide and follows the phased reopening guidelines outlined by Governor Northam. The guide has detailed information about current policies and procedures. However, guidance and information will continue to be updated as we learn more and establish new practices, and we will comply with any state and local mandates. Please check your emails and keep in touch with your supervisor for the latest information. You will need to verify in MyPDE that you have viewed this video and the Return to Work Guide, and you acknowledge that you understand your responsibilities as we reopen our physical work sites. We want to reassure you that the Office of Facilities Management is working hard to keep the buildings clean and safe. Facilities will be disinfected and sanitized every day, including increased service visits to the restrooms and thorough disinfection of all surfaces, including doors, toilets, and handles. Daytime custodians will also be continuously disinfecting and sanitizing all touch points throughout the day, including door handles, glass, elevator buttons, and light switches. Hand sanitizer, disinfecting wipes, or other disinfectants will be provided to all work sites. Refills will be available from the warehouse through normal procurement channels. You will also notice new protective equipment at customer service counters, including sneeze guards to provide an extra level of protection for the public and staff. Signs have also been put into place in entryways, elevators, and on the common areas of floors to ensure that proper social distancing is followed. Please do not develop or install your own signs. There are things that you are expected to do as well in order to avoid exposure. First, limit in-person meetings and do not bring guests or family into the building. While in the office, wash your hands often or use hand sanitizer and avoid touching your face. Avoid close contact with others. Face coverings or masks will be required for FCPS employees on site when social distancing can't be maintained. This includes hallways and other common areas. FCPS will provide masks for employees who do not have one. Specific guidance for the use of PPE in your office or work area should be obtained from your program manager. Disinfecting solution, wipes, etc. should be readily available in areas where frequent sanitization is necessary. If your department does not have these supplies available, work with OPS personnel to order them. As we have experienced from the start of this pandemic, situations change rapidly. Our leadership and planning teams are in close contact with local health officials to review policies and procedures to ensure that best practices are followed. Also, additional information about what would happen in the event of employee exposure can be found in the Return to Work Guide, as well as information about HR policy around the different types of leave available.